Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn the cursive letter F, and it is also a loop letter, and I think that it's the first loop letter that actually goes all the way up to the skyline and then goes all the way down to the worm line. We haven't done one like that yet. So let me share my screen with you and I will show you what I'm talking about. You'll need your packet and your pencil and a hard surface to write on if you haven't already gotten that. Okay, so here's the letter F. Get your imaginary air pencil ready and let's try it in the air as we watch.
F is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the skyline. Loop back all the way down to the worm line. Loop back up to the grass line and make a tail.
Okay, so as you notice, you go through all the lines with the letter F. Let's try it again. Try it in the air again.
F is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the skyline. Loop back all the way down to the worm line.
Just like the letter L.
Loop back up to the grass line and make a tail.
But instead of making a tail on the L, you go all the way down to the worm line. Now try it on your leg.
F is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the skyline. Loop back all the way down to the worm line. Loop back up to the grass line and make a tail.
Now try it on your arm.
F is a loop letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up to the skyline. Loop back all the way down to the worm line. Loop back up to the grass line and make a tail.
Okay, I'm going to show you what it might look like in your packet. Remember to trace over the large example of the letter F first before you start making your own, because that'll help you get the feel of it. This letter has a lot going on, but you still don't pick up your pencil. Start at that grass line, glide all the way up to the skyline like you're making the letter L. You're going to make that loop going to the left, but this time you come straight down all the way to that worm below the grass line. And just like the letter B, you make a belly coming back to the grass line, and then you make a tail so that you can connect it. Okay, I think you should be able to get at least two in here. Start at the grass line, loop up to the left, come back down to the grass line, come straight, but actually pass it, go to the worm line, make that belly up to the grass line, and make a tail. Again, all the way up to the skyline, loop, come back down to the worm line, make your belly, make your tail. So try to get at least two up there. You might get three. And then when you come down to the normal size of writing, you're going to try it again, tracing back up, make that loop, make the belly, make the tail. And then I would say you should be able to get at least 8 in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I estimated right. So you can tell I have a lot of different styles there. I like this one the best. Now we get to show you what it looks like when you connect with the letter F. That's what that tail's about. We're not connecting these yet. Before you know it, we will be. So you're going to make your letter F and say you wanted to say this gift is from Mrs. Aubin. You can see how the tail goes right into the letter R because it connects. So Make sure you fill out all the lines. Don't just stop with these 3. When you come down to the 3 other lines, they're there for you to keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you'll get. If your hand starts hurting, take a little break, do some spider push-ups, do some squeezing of your hands and shake it out, and then that should help. Have fun with the letter F, and I can't wait to see how you have done. We'll see you later.